You've probably heard the rumors. The big four accounting firms are exhausting, high-pressure environments where employees are overworked and undervalued. But what is the whole story here? Let me clarify that for you. While these firms are indeed demanding, they also have unparalleled opportunities for learning, growth, and career advancement. Stick around as we dive into the reality of working for the Big Four and how it could be the perfect launchpad for your career. So what exactly are the Big Four accounting firms? Let's break it down. The Big Four accounting firms are the world's largest auditing and accounting companies in the world, known for their immense impact on the financial industry. These firms are Ernst Young, Deloitte, PwC, and KPMG, and each of these firms generate billions in revenue, employing a huge number of people globally. Now let's talk about what it's like to work with one of these Big Four. Each of the firm has its own focus area and unique opportunities. Number 1, Deloitte. Deloitte introduced its consulting brand in the year 1995. Deloitte focuses on human capital, technology, strategy, and operation. It typically targets MBA aspirants, undergraduates, and even interns. Deloitte offers you the chance to collaborate with 500 Fortune companies and challenges you to achieve more. Second, PwC. PwC has its powerful presence in the global advisory market, functioning in over 150 countries. It offers careers in consulting practice with opportunities in management, risk, strategy, and technology consulting. PwC offers part-time internships for students, allowing them to advance their careers by working with business professionals to solve complex challenges. Third, Ernst Young. EY focuses on business transformation by leveraging the power of people, innovation, and technology. Its consulting services include performance improvement, IT risk, and cross-advisory teams and assurance. EY offers various associate positions for students, providing training and placements in rewarding fields. The firm values collaboration and continual career growth for its employees. Fourth, KPMG. KPMG operates in over 140 countries with consulting areas including digital adoption, transformation, business protection, and performance. It primarily focuses on technical and analytical work. Working at KPMG can help you better understand the operations of Fortune 500 businesses. The firm targets both graduates and undergraduates and offers continued education to its workforce. Interested in becoming a Big Four consultant? Here are some tips to help you get there. Number 1. Secure good grades. High academic performance is crucial. Securing good grades at university may allow you to qualify for a position at one of the largest accounting companies in the world. Highlight your educational achievements and gain hands-on experience with other auditing firms to improve your chances of getting hired. Second, begin early. Starting your application process during a graduation or post-graduation can be beneficial. Working as an intern with other companies may also equip you with a robust skill set. The Big Four firms usually prefer hiring individuals with an advanced accounting degree, so pursuing one can enhance your credentials. Third, choosing the right firm. Selecting the right Big Four company that suits best your skills, expectations, and career goals is essential. Prepare thoroughly for the interview process, which can be rigorous, but confidence and practice are the key to succeeding in multiple interview rounds. Fourth and the most important, gain relevant skills. Developing skills that the Big Four value is important. Explore multiple job descriptions to identify the key skills these firms seek. Once you know what skills are required, work towards gaining or enhancing them. Some of the key soft skills you may develop include determination, self-confidence, emotional intelligence, leadership, management, and organization. Before applying, consider gaining these essential skills. Number 1. Attention to detail. In auditing, analyzing accounts and spotting inconsistencies ensure that the financial data remains accurate. Attention to detail helps you quickly recognize irregularities in figures, ensuring that your work is free of errors and improving your reliability. Number 2, communication skills. Your ability to understand others and convey your messages fluently can help you conduct auditing efficiently. Being persuasive and explaining inconsistencies to the owner, along with comprehending the responses, may help you effectively solve issues in their accounts. Number 3, mathematical and analytical skills. Ensuring that the accounts are in orders means applying strong analytical skills to visualize the complexity of a problem. Combining analytical abilities with mathematical skills allows you to quickly determine issues in the accounts and make accurate forecasts. Number 4, technical skills. Modern day accounting involves using software programs to perform calculations quickly and monitor finances thoroughly. Developing proficiencies in these programs can help you accomplish tasks with more precision and efficiency. Practice using various types of accounting software and consider signing up for online courses to become adept at using them. The Big Four accounting firms offer incredible opportunities to launch and grow your career in finance. From diverse services to a global presence, these firms are at the forefront of the finance industry. If you are passionate about numbers and enjoy solving complex problems, consider applying to one of the Big Four. By securing good grades, starting early, choosing the right firm, and gaining relevant skills, you can set yourself up for a successful career. And remember, at Fin Plan Edu, we support you in building these skills and putting you ahead in the race with these Big Four firms. Our certifications and degrees equip you with the necessary knowledge and practical experience to excel in your finance career. By choosing Fin Plan Edu, you are investing in a future where you are not just prepared to enter the finance industry, but excel and lead. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips on career in finance. Also hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.